You're watching how Leap lets transfer photos from your old iPhone to a new iPhone. The best way is using iCloud Photos. On your old iPhone, go to Settings, tap your name, then iCloud, tap Photos and turn on Sync this iPhone. Wait for your photos to upload to iCloud. On your new iPhone, sign into the same Apple ID during setup. Go to Settings, tap your name, then iCloud, then Photos, and turn on Sync this iPhone. Your photos will start downloading. You can also use Quick Start. Turn on the new iPhone, place it near the old one, and follow the on-screen prompts. Choose Transfer from iPhone to move all data, including photos, for a direct transfer. Use AirDrop on both phones. Enable AirDrop in Control Center. Select photos in your old phone's Photos app, tap Share, tap the AirDrop icon, and choose your new iPhone. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.